Hello everyone, this printer is Epson Workforce WF-2950 series. I want to show you how to do the full setup guide, install the driver and set up this printer. What you need to do is you need to go to Google search bar or Bing or Chrome. So we're going to use Google Chrome. This is Google Chrome. Then search Epson Navi setup. Select on it. Setup Navi. Select on it. Then search for the printer model. This printer is Workforce 2950. Select on it. Then it will show you the printer. Then you select language, English. Select computer, program, Windows. You can select Mac, OS, or Android. Windows selected. Then select Start Setup. Install the software on your Windows computer and connect to the printer. Select Download. Once you select Download, then open the file on top. Open the file. Epson Web Installer Setup. Select Yes. Allow. Updating. Thank you for choosing this product. Select OK. Licensing agreement. Accept licensing agreement. Select Yes. Provision of product usage. I'm going to uncheck Allow for information. Then select Next. Checking the following. Thank you for choosing this Epson product. See the paper manual for details. Select Next. Downloading required software. It's downloading printer driver. Downloading the scanner. Installing printer driver. Installing scanner driver. Checking the environment. Then you select connection method. Connect via Wi-Fi automatically is what we're going to select. The first option. If you want to connect via a USB cable, then you need to connect the printer and laptop together via a USB cable. But in this case, we want to connect via Wi-Fi automatically. Then select Next. We'll show you checking the system. Select wireless LAN, SSID, and password. Then from the list, you scroll down and select the network from the list. Then you enter the details. Then select Next. Then enter the password. So I'm going to enter the details. Then select Next. Connect to wireless LAN, then select Next. On the printer home screen, then select on the Wi-Fi. Then you go to the printer home screen, use up, and go to the Wi-Fi network, select OK to Wi-Fi, then select OK. Then select Start, select OK to Wi-Fi, then select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Then scroll down and select for the network. Select OK on the network. Network connection may become unstable because of a weak signal. Select Start Setup. Then enter the password. So I have the password here, so I'm going to put the details. To enter the password, then you select OK. Then it will show you for you to enter the details. So once you put the password, then you select OK to the password. Then scroll down, select Start Setup. It will show you connecting to wireless router. Setup complete. So once you connect the printer to Wi-Fi, then you need to wait. It will show you checking the environment. Then it will show you the printer on the network. This is the printer. Then you select on it and select Next. It will show you network setup. Please wait. Network setup. The setup is in progress. Configuring the printer. Configuring the settings. Then we need to select the software to install. So the setup is done. We'll show you checking the system environment. Then you need to select Scanner Utility, Epson Photo Plus, Epson Scan 2, Software Updater, and Support Utility. The only software is recommended for us to install is manual. I'm going to refuse manual. I don't need it. Then select Next. Checking ink initialization status. Please wait. Checking fireware. Then print a test page. Select Print Test Page. Then you select Next. Congratulations, you have finished setting up your printer. Then you select your region, select OK. Please wait. Online product registration, I'm going to skip. Discover ready print. Then select next. Setup complete. Then select finish. It will show you setup complete, show you the printer. So this is how to connect this printer, the full setup guide, install the driver, and connect the printer to Wi-Fi network. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.